Recording the sewer line here at 4136 23rd Ave Southwest. Date's May 19th, 2020. Recording this from the sewer cleanout here on the, I believe we're on the south side of the home. And I'm as far out as I can get the camera. So there's a big lip here on the pipe, about 63 feet, 64 feet down the line. I'm going to come back from there and get a look at the line. So this is 4-inch clay pipe. Here's a section of pipe that's been repaired in the past, so we've had some sort of pipe failure at this point, or maybe a clean-out access installed down the line. This line backed up and had a technician out here on Saturday. There's another decent lip. There's some roots, so the technician cut through a bunch of these roots, but there are some massive roots that need addressing here. So large, giant root mass there that's taken up maybe 90% of the pipe. Probably one of the main contributors to the clog. Another large root there. And then we get back into black plastic pipe. So not too concerned with this plastic stretch of pipe, but it's those large roots once we get out there. So that was another stretch of repaired pipe. Large root there. There's an old tie-in for a downspout, so we're upside down. On the right side of the pipe, what you're seeing there on the right side of the screen is an old downspout tie-in. Looks like all the downspouts have been daylighted here. And we're coming back up out of the line. So here's the cleanout I'm recording this from. I'm going to end the recording there. Do a little bit of locating.